Lahore High Court is one of the biggest and most important high courts in Pakistan. It has jurisdiction over the province of Punjab, which is the most populous province in the country. Lahore High Court is headed by Chief Justice, who is appointed by the President of the Pakistan. In the event that the Chief Justice is unable to perform his duties, an acting Chief Justice is appointed. The acting Chief Justice has all the powers and responsibilities of the Chief Justice. The question of when an acting Chief Justice should be appointed is matter of some debate. Some argue that an acting Chief Justice should only be appointed if the Chief Justice is unable to perform his duties for a prolonged period of time. Other argues that an acting Chief Justice should be appointed whenever the Chief Justice is absent from the court, even only for a short period of time. There are several factors that should be considered when deciding whether or not to appoint an acting Chief Justice. These factors includes the length of the time that a Chief Justice will be unable to perform duties, the nature of Chief Justice just absence, the availability of other judges who are qualified to serve as an acting Chief Justice. In general, it is advisable to appoint an acting Chief Justice whenever the Chief Justice will be unable to perform his duties for a period for more than a few days. This is especially true if the Chief Justice absence is due to illness or other health reasons. The appointment of an acting Chief Justice is an important decision that should be made carefully. The acting Chief Justice must be qualified and experienced judge who is able of leading the court effectively. The active Chief Justice must be also be someone who is respected by other judges and the members of the legal community. The Lahore Court is a very vital institution in Pakistani justice system. The appointment of the acting Chief Justice is a critical step in ensuring that the courts continue to function effectively in the event that the Chief Justice is unable to perform his duties.